Vahrenberg Implements, your West Central Missouri Massey Ferguson dealer, and today we're going to talk to you about the different transmission types of the 1500 and 1600 series compact tractors from Massey Ferguson. Check out all the beautiful different variety of Massey Ferguson compacts from 26 horsepower all the way up to the 1660 at 60 engine horsepower. The Massey Ferguson 8x8 Synchro Shuttle transmission. You have a 4-speed gearbox that you have to clutch and go from first to second to third to fourth. It is recommended with the Synchro Shuttle to do this at a stopped speed. The next you have your range lever. You have a low range and a high range. So you have 2 ranges, 4 gears give you 8 speeds. You can push the clutch down and shift forward or reverse on the go. That is the synchronized shuttle part of the transmission. Let me show you how it operates here. Put it in the range, pick a gear, there's our motor. The Power Shuttle transmission gives you 12 forward speeds, 12 reverse speeds. Again, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4 gear shift. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the standard H pattern. This is synchronized on a Power Shuttle, so you can clutch and shift from first to second, or first to third, or first to fourth, up or down by depressing the clutch pedal. Then you have 3 ranges. You have a high range forward, neutral, come back to mid-range and low range. The shuttle lever is hydraulic, so you can shift from forward to reverse anytime without pushing the clutch pedal. Again, you do not need the clutch pedal to change directions. Let's fire it up. Welcome to the DynaQuadraPowershuttle transmission, available on the 1660 cab version. This is a very neat transmission because it incorporates the Power Shuttle transmission with a 3-range transmission with 4 power shift gears. Minus and plus button here on top of the gear shift lever will change the power shift. So every gear you've got 4 power shift speeds in it, giving you a total of 12 speeds forward, 12 speeds reverse. Let's give it a drive. You select your range, select your forward direction, as you can see on the digital display, we're in actually first gear. So I want to change speeds. I just hit the button and it goes to second, to third, to fourth. And the same thing coming down. Now to change directions, all you have to do, just like the Power Shuttle, is pull this back with no clutching. No clutch is needed to operate the Power Shuttle. So it makes it a great transmission for loader work. Go ahead and get your scoop, come back. Simple, safe, no clutch to worry about. The DynaQuadraPowershuttle from Massey Ferguson. Welcome to the Massey Ferguson Hydrostat transmission. One thing you'll notice with the Hydrostat transmission is we have no shuttle lever on the inside the tractor here. What you have is you've got a 3-range hydrostat lever. On the left hand side you've got low, medium, and high, and neutral positions. You also have a cruise control function. I'll show you how that works here in a second. Let's get it started up and I'll show you how it operates. You will have dual brake pedals on the left hand side on the hydrostat versions. On the 15 and 1600 series. On the GC series you'll have a single pedal and just a 2-range hydrostat. On the right hand side we've got a forward and a reverse hydrostat pedal. We'll put it in, we'll select our range, raise our loader. And one thing that you'll notice about the hydrostat on a Massey Ferguson Compact is it is linked into the engine's governor system. The faster you go, the faster the engine will rev up to the needed speed it needs for the hydrostat to prevent stalling. We're in high range now, and one thing about high range is you've got a 0 to 100% speed. If you're wanting to do more precision work, like rotary mowing, you can shift it into medium, and it'll basically operate from 0 to 50% speed. There's your maximum. Now if you want to go in reverse, you can just hit the reverse pedal, forward, reverse. Makes a great simple loader tractor. Now if you really get into precision maneuvering, put it in low and you've got your pedal. Now one of the neat things is with the cruise control, you just reach down on the left hand side, put it in cruise, your pedal stays in position, your speed stays the same. All you have to do is let go of the lever and we come back to neutral. So if you're mowing grass, tilling in the yard, and you need to put it in cruise control, just put it in, and you've got perfect speed control. You can still operate the throttle independently of it if you need PTO speed, but you can leave it down here in neutral. And the Massey Ferguson Hydrostat transmission is so simple to operate. Check out all the Massey Ferguson Compact Tractors, the GC Series, 1500 Series, and 1600 Series, and get the transmission choice that is best for your operation. Thank you for tuning in. Check out Massey Ferguson Tractors at Vahrenberg Implement at the corner of 13 Highway and Business 13 right in Higginsville, Missouri.